Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Ballsoft 2048 game. So as you can see right here, it is basically a game for Android that lets you cash out, supposedly, and that's what they claim. So if you're wondering if this is a scam, let's head on over here to the reviews here. So this person says, this seems to be a scam game, you will not get paid, but they get paid because of the ads you watch. I started playing this game in beta. I can tell that they abandoned the company and shut down the servers for it when they didn't pay out all the possible payments when they offer. So this person is really mad about it. So I've also won, but not paid. So we need to spread the news of this scam to the world. I will make sure many people will run away from them. And this person also posted here on support.google. So Ballsoft is a play-to-earn money game. It possesses monetary limits to achieve while playing the game, where once the amount specified is reached, you provide a PayPal account for them to send the withdrawal, quote-unquote, of those funds to. So I've so far received a funky percent PayPal link. They told me to send $1,000 was sent to confirm. I'm attempting to link has been reported as assaulting people with malicious software. That was a big wow. So please do not fall for this trap, since how could you get money from just playing this game? It is very easy to play, and it is too good to be true to be paid while playing an easy game like this. So please do not fall for it. If you're gonna download this game with the hopes of earning money, you will not. So yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.